Okay, so we just talked about the steps of public messaging. And in part of those steps, we talked about the context. You have to know the context for which you're delivering that public message. You need to know the type of public message that you're delivering, and then a draft thesis. So, if you have your topic and you think about your draft thesis, well, what is a thesis? Sometimes some students really don't know what a thesis is or how to even write a thesis. So, a thesis really is really just one sentence. One sentence should be good enough for your thesis. So, in your public message, you're going to have a thesis. It's just one sentence. One sentence with a period. What goes into this sentence? Here is your formula. Here is your formula right here for this sentence for this thesis. And it might be a draft thesis until you get everything set. So, first of all, is your topic. One example I'm going to give is workplace meeting etiquette. That's going to be the topic. Workplace meeting etiquette. That's the topic. What are the main ideas for this informative public message? Well, let's see, agenda, time, keeping on time, and notes. This is etiquette. These three things are etiquette for workplace meetings. Workplace meeting etiquette includes agenda, time, and notes. Okay, so I'm working on my thesis for my public message. It's one sentence. What is the formula? What goes into that sentence? The topic that you're talking about, workplace meeting etiquette, the main ideas, agenda, time, and notes, and it needs to be understandable, right? When someone hears this sentence, they need to know, oh, okay, I see. So here is one way that you could write it. The purpose of this informative public message is to discuss workplace meeting etiquette by focusing on agendas, time, and notes. This is one sentence. The sentence begins with a capital letter. First letter of the sentence begins with a capital letter. All the words are spelled out. There's a verb, there's a subject. Okay. Here's the topic, workplace meeting etiquette. Here are the main ideas, agendas, time, and notes. I also say what the purpose of the speech is. The purpose of this informative public message. If you feel more comfortable saying the purpose of this informative speech, you can do that as well. I'm grading that you say the purpose. If you were in an advanced class, I would expect you to be more creative. But it's like riding your bike. You start off with training wheels. This is a training wheel right here because I need to make sure that you understand the purpose of your own public message. So you can't take these training wheels off till you really know what you're doing. So the purpose of this informative public message is to discuss, here's your topic, workplace meeting etiquette by focusing on, and here are your main points, agendas, time, and notes. Okay? So what did we talk about? A thesis. Every public message needs a thesis. It just needs to be one sentence. What goes into the sentence? Here is your formula. Topic plus main ideas, and it needs to be an understandable message. Okay? All right. So there you go. There is public messaging and writing a thesis.